I just published my first game jam not too long ago, which was Tiger J Am. Anyway, I've watched Tiger J stream and he seemed surprised on how I use mspaint to animate and draw tiles.
Also, the tiling for the stones, again, like you can't tile. I don't think you can tile in MS Paint. The MS Paint I know doesn't have tiling. You can't just say tile the X and Y axis and let me make a really great tiles tile mat. Nah, but this, yes, this has it all. All right, you need.
So just in case there are some people who don't believe or some people who want to try MS Paint for their games, I've got some techniques I want to share. By the way, I changed the way I talk a little bit because I found my previous video so dull and boring. Okay, I don't know what the hell am I drawing here, but anyway, I'm gonna make a beautiful Minecraft walking animation. So, let's start by making keyframe, okay? I'm gonna save as, and maybe I'm gonna call this like Steve Walk underscore 1, something like that. Okay then. So, what I like to do is to use the bucket tool here and bucket out all the other plays I want to animate, and then I'm gonna start animating. Alright, so maybe I'm gonna delete a little bit in the place I want to animate, something like this, and then I'm gonna draw like a rough sketch here, something like this. And then I'm gonna compare it between two images. Alright. It looks fine for now, so I just continue drawing here. By the way, I don't have a pin mouse, so my line art is a little bit goofy here, but whatever. Yeah. I'm gonna leave the food here a little bit so I can see where is the floor. And now that we've finished the line art, it's time for the color, so I'm just gonna open the idle image, copy the color, maybe something like this, I don't know, just copy it like this, and then just and why is he so thick? And now the animation is done, so let me just put the idle in between them. The next thing we're gonna do is to remove the background, which I don't know how to do that in MS Paint, so I'm gonna use another thing. You can use any editing programs you like, but I use Photopea. Okay, now let's drag our animation in here, remove the background. Then I want to put all the images here into the same one, so but we need 4 of them to fit perfectly, so let's do the basic math. My image here is, oh shit, what the fuck. My image here is 684 on the width, so let's multiply that by 4, and we've got this 2736. So in Photopea you can see the pixel here, so, and I like to zoom a lot so it can be it's easier to move the small pixel here. Okay, now that's the perfect size. I like to drag the last image in here first, put it in here, Then I'm gonna drag another image, and it's a good thing that Photopea has a snapping tool, so it's pretty convenient. And there we have it. I'm gonna export this and maybe call this something like Steve All. Now we're gonna have this PNG image which I can use in the game. And now I want to make something like a grass block. So I'm gonna save as the idle image and then call it something like a tile_1. The reason I do this is because I compare the size between the player and the block. It's something around here. I wanted something around here. And then I'm gonna delete him, and I'm gonna put this in like this, then move it like this. Okay. And I want to make the image a square. Okay, so now we have this 3, 2, 4. So let's resize it. Pixel, and no, don't maintain the aspect ratio, and just put the same number here. Now we've got the square image. So I'm going to draw something like this. But usually when you make game tiles, they should be connected to each other, so it won't be noticeable that they are tiles. So what I do is I'm gonna take a look at the numbers here on the bottom left. The numbers are telling the mouse position on X and Y. In this way I can connect the grass on the side. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna draw it around here. Then I'm gonna see the number. Right now it's around 54 pixel. So I'm gonna go here and move my mouse to 54 as well. And then just make a dot here so I can see easily. This is mspaint, so don't expect a good quality. And there we have it, a grass box. And now when you line up the blocks, they will be connected to each other like this. I want to make something like a curve block like this. Oh my god, how do I do this? Okay, that's good enough. So we're gonna do the same thing again. So 54, this one is going to connect to the left side of the block, so the grass need to appear here. So 54. Okay, now let's try change the name to 0, so it will be on the left side. And then we're gonna go in here again and just drag our image in here and do the same thing. So our image was I can't remember, 3, 2, 4. 3, 2, 4. We have 3 images. And now we have this tile. You can see that they're connected to each other. So maybe let's try moving like this, maybe copy it. And you'll see that they will blend together. And that was how I animate and draw tiles with mspaint. So thanks for watching, and please play my game because I don't know what to say. I didn't write a script for this at the end here. So that's the end. Alright. Please play my game.